Now, just after I said we had no eponymous names, like things named after people, so what do we have next? Guillian Barre. Remember, it's always sexier in French. And stop saying Gillian Barre. It's Guillian Barre. And Guillian Barre is the most characteristic thing is ascending paralysis. Now, why we get Guillain-Barré is not really known. We know that it's associated with Campylobacter. We know that it's associated with Campylobacter infections, but we're not exactly sure why the Campylobacter infection is doing it. We know that the weakness is going up the body. We know that it's starting out from your toes to your nose, and that basically it's going first from your lower extremities, the ankles and the legs, and it's going up to the upper extremities, and in between there, it hits your diaphragm. So it is an autoimmune phenomenon making antibodies against myelin. Remember that neuromuscular transmission occurs because we are going from point A to point B. And what we know is that we have this neuron here. We know that the neuron is covered with myelin, and that the myelin, we know that the neuron is covered with myelin, and we know that in between these points in the myelin, that we know what happens is that we have saltatory conduction that allows the impulse to jump and go very quickly. We also know that myelin acts like the insulation on a neuron.